Hello guys, welcome to another video of curiosities from the channel Why Does This Happen? Have you ever seen a lightning bolt during a storm and been impressed by the force of nature? Lightning bolts are fascinating and incredibly powerful electrical phenomena that occur frequently worldwide. In this video, we will explore what lightning bolts are, how they form, and some interesting facts about these electrical events. Get ready to be surprised by the complexity and beauty of nature as we discover everything about lightning bolts. Lightning bolts are formed during electrical storms when there is a large amount of accumulated electric charges in the atmosphere. These charges can be positive or negative and accumulate in different regions of the atmosphere. When the electric potential difference between the accumulated charges is large enough, an electrical discharge occurs that is visible as a lightning bolt. This discharge is caused by the movement of electrons through the air, creating a conductive channel of electricity between the charges. The lightning bolt is accompanied by a loud and characteristic sound known as thunder. This happens because the lightning bolt heats up the air around it to extremely high temperatures, causing the air to rapidly expand and create waves. Some interesting facts about lightning bolts include that they can reach temperatures of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Lightning bolts can be extremely long, with an average length of about 3 to 4 kilometers, and some can even be up to 100 kilometers long. Lightning bolts can be different colors depending on the chemical composition of the atmosphere and the type of electrical discharge that is occurring. For example, some lightning bolts can be blue, while others are red or purple. During the electrical discharge, the electric voltage can reach extremely high values of the order of 100 million volts. Lightning bolts can be dangerous and pose a threat to human safety during storms. Here are some important precautions we should take to protect ourselves from lightning bolts. Stay in a safe place during a storm. Avoid staying in open areas or near tall trees, power poles, or metal structures. Seek shelter in a secure building with walls and a roof or in a vehicle with a hard top. If there is no shelter available, try to move away from open areas and high objects like trees and crouch down in a low place with your feet together and hands on your head. Stay away from metal objects such as certain agricultural equipment that can conduct electricity. Avoid using electronic devices during a storm. Using electronic devices like computers, TVs, or phones can attract lightning bolts and increase the risk of being struck. Disconnect electronic devices. If you are in a building or house during a storm, unplug electronic devices from the socket to avoid damage in case of an electrical discharge. Keep your distance from windows and doors during a storm, and avoid staying near windows or doors that can be damaged or broken by lightning. Wait for the storm to pass and avoid going out or driving during a storm, especially if there is lightning. Remember that if you are in an open field, it is important to remember that there is no 100% safe way to protect yourself from lightning, but following these tips can help reduce the risks. In case of an emergency, call your local emergency service. Remember, the best way to protect yourself from lightning is to avoid risky situations and find a safe place during a lightning storm. Did you like the video? Then leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel to continue receiving interesting videos like this. Lightning is an impressive example of the strength and complexity of nature. Although they can be dangerous, they are also fascinating and can be safely appreciated from a distance during a storm. That's all for today, folks. See you in the next video.